Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Teacher Elle and today I'm going to help you to get ready for the most important step in your career journey as an early childhood teacher in Singapore. Let's go! So I have one follower on Facebook and he is asking me to give some tips on how to answer some questions in an interview. By the way, guys, before we start, I grouped the questions into 5 categories to help you structure your interview preparation. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's dive in to help you ace that interview. So, guys, these are the 5 categories I made, and don't worry, I'm gonna flash it on top. So, first is all about your experience and your qualification. Dapat dito pa lang binebenta na ninyo yung sarili ninyo. Yung tipong dapat lahat alam ninyo. Don't worry guys, magbibigay ako ng sample questions and ng answer para dito on my next video. And the second one is the classroom management and the teaching techniques. Dito guys, dapat alam ninyo kung paano ninyo i-handle yung mga estudyante ninyo. Since early childhood teacher tayo dito sa Singapore, dapat alam ninyo kung paano magpatahan ng mga bata nang hindi nagagalit. Dapat alam ninyo kung paano ninyo i-engage yung mga estudyante ninyo. Knowing na yung mga bata, maikli lang yung mga time span nila. Third is the collaboration and communication. Dito naman guys, tinitignan nila kung paano ka makikipag-communicate sa mga colleagues mo. Kung paano ka as a member of a team. And the most important thing is dapat alam mong makipag-communicate sa mga parents. And of course, dapat alam mo kung paano i-handle mga bad feedback ng mga parents. And fourth is personal attributes and growth. So dito naman guys, tatanungin ka kung ano yung nagpa-motivate sa'yo para maging isang early childhood teacher. Tatanungin ka rin kung paano ka magiging stay updated sa mga trends ng early childhood education. And of course, dapat alam mo kung paano ka makaka-adapt sa mga challenges or yung mga changes ng classroom. Syempre, dahil tayo ay isang teacher, dapat flexible tayo. And the last category is all about the scenario-based questions. I'm telling you guys, this is the hardest part in an interview. Mahirap siya in a way na kapag hindi mo siya na-experience, hindi mo kayang i-express yung sarili mo. So, common question nila dito is kung ano yung gagawin mo as a teacher kung yung estudyante mo is shy or reluctant to participate sa klase. Tatanungin ka din na kung paano mo i-handle yung dalawang bata na nagkakaroon ng conflict sa isang classroom. And isa pa sa common question nila dito is all about the parent, kung paano ka magbibigay ng magandang feedback kapag hindi sila okay sa'yo. So guys, those are the 5 categories I made. I will make another video for the sample questions and answers for the interview. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will help you a lot. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!